Hi, today I'm showing you some really simple techniques so you can easily paint this cute dandelion painting. You can either slightly dampen the canvas first or cover it with white paint. This will make it a little easier to blend your colours on top. I'm using a mop brush to soften and blend those colours together, but you could use any fluffy brush that you have. I'm using an old round brush for my circles. Just twist it around until you get the circle shape that you like. I've thinned the paint a little with either water or a medium to make some of the circles more transparent. When painting the grass, I'm using the very tip of the brush at the top of the grass and then gently pressing down as I come downwards. I'm using a medium round and a liner brush, so when I'm painting the grass I'm getting a little bit of variation in the size. I've added a tiny bit of phthalo blue to the white just to make it a little bit blue, and I'm going to use that colour for the more distant dandelions. Then when I paint the dandelions in the foreground, I'm adding more white and making them brighter. Make sure you dab off the excess paint on your brush. It's much easier to build up the intensity of the dandelion rather than having too much paint on at the beginning. Another tip I would say would be to add more paint in the centre of the dandelion and then slowly soften it and add less paint around the edges. For the dandelion seeds, I'm using a liner brush again, but I'm using the very tip of the brush so I can get a really fine line. And here are some other videos that I hope you might like to watch next. See you next time.